Okay, listen it carefully. In this previous two exercise, we have been studied the sound of the two-letter word OU, OI, OY and OW. Now we are going to make the word plus ing. We are going to add the word and we are going to add the three-letter ing. Always the ing will sound like ing, ing. Okay, always the ing will sound like, what is the sound of the ing? Ing. Okay, so don't forget the sound of the three-letter ing. Ing, ing. Yes, this is a sound. Okay, we want to circle the ly words in the sentence. Okay, we want to first add the ing to this word and we want to take and write it on the blank. After writing the ing, we want to circle the ly word. Okay, we are going to find it out the what action was going on the picture and we are going to write it on the word here plus ing. Okay, after that we are going to circle the ly word. Okay, listen it carefully. This is a girl, isn't it? So only they given as a sentence. Is it? They given as a sentence. Now we are going to read a sentence. Listen it carefully. T H E T. The girl, G-I-R-L, girl, the girl is ISS, the girl is jumping, she is jumping, isn't it? She is jumping, listen it. Or dancing, you can tell me, that's your wish, because the option is not given. You can say it a jump or you can say it as a dance. Okay, let's say dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. We want to add ing, isn't it? I-N-G, dancing boldly. Boldly means she is dancing very bravely. Without fear, she is dancing. Okay, that is the meaning for boldly. Okay, listen it carefully. Let's read one more time. T-H-E-T, yes, girl, G-I-R-L, girl, is, I-S is, dancing boldly. Okay, we want to circle the ly word, boldly. Okay, let's move to the next picture. T-H-E, what is the spell? T-H-E word sounds like the man, the man is cooking. This is what the process is doing. Yes, the man is cooking, isn't it? We want to add ing, then it will become a cooking. But cook, C-O-O-K, cooking. We want to add ing, ing. Cooking quickly. The man is cooking quickly. Okay, listen children carefully. What the action was going, what the man is doing here, he is cook, isn't it? Okay, so cook, I've just written the word cook, then I've added the ing. If you add ing, then it will become a cooking, dancing, quickly. Okay, this is quickly. So you want to circle the ly word. Okay, what is the meaning for quickly? Quickly means it's a faster. Okay, the man is cooking fastly, isn't it? Faster. The man is cooking faster because there is a no word fastly. So we want to say faster. Okay, the man is cooking quickly. That is means the man is cooking the food very faster. Okay, let's see the next sentence. The T-H-E. What is the T-H-E? T-H-E. What is the T-H-E? The boy, B-O-Y, boy, the boy is, I-S-S, the boy is painting, isn't it? The boy was, what action is he doing? Paint, isn't it? Paint. Let's write the spelling for paint, P-A-N-T, paint, paint. Then we want to add ing, isn't it? I-N-G. Painting, painting neatly. I want to circle the ly word. Neatly means very clean. His painting is very good. Yeah, painting is very good. Okay, the T, listen it carefully children. T H E. What is the three letter T H E sounds? The. Okay, what is the three letter word sounds like? T H E, the. The. Okay, this is boy, and I yes, isn't it? Is is. This is a paint. Then we added the ing word, painting. This is a neatly. Painting neatly. Okay, let's see the next sentence. Listen here. Here the T H E. What is the T H E? The three letter word sounds like? T H E. The three letters sounds like? The. Very good. The. T always, remember children, please listen it carefully. The three letter word TH, you can find it out in many sentences. Okay, you can find it out in many stories, many poems, or many like in your schools you can see these three letter word in lot of books. So you want to remember it. What is the sound of THE? The. What is the sound of THE? The. Okay, the farmer is, what the farmer is doing? I think he is planting, isn't it? He is planting. Plan. Just you know the spelling for plan, isn't it? PLAN. Plan. Planting. ING. Okay, the farmer is planting slowly. Okay, he is doing very slow. The farmer means, who is a farmer? Yes, the one who harvests the paddies, isn't it? They will harvest the paddies, like a wheat paddies or rice or some cereals, isn't it? Yes, the farmer is a backbone of India, isn't it? You know it. Yes. Did you went any other villages? Did you went to any other villages? Yes. Did you saw that farmers working there? Okay. So what is the three letter word? Listen it carefully. THE. The three letter word is very important because you can see it in many places. THE always sounds like the. The farmer is planting slowly. Okay children. Okay, let's see the next pictures also. Okay, let's move to the next sentence. What the THE, the three word sounds like? Yes, you want to tell me. The THE, the. Tell me. Okay, tell along with me children. THE, the. Yes, the lady is. Is. The lady is, what the lady was doing? Look at the picture carefully. What the lady was doing? Yes, she is washing. Very good. She is washing. Wash. WAS. Wash. We want to add ING, isn't it? ING. Washing shiftly. Okay, shiftly means you're moving here and there. Washing shiftly, isn't it? The. What is the sound of the three letter word? THE. 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 The lady is washing shiftly. Okay. Let's see the next sentence. Okay, here the three letter word was given. You are going to tell me. I am not going to tell. What you are going to tell me? THE. What? The three letter magic word. You can find it on many places, on many books. You are going to read it out. Just remember and tell me what is the sound of three letter word THE. The. Very good. The. 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 Listen carefully. The birds are what? The birds are sing, isn't it? The birds are sing. The birds will make some noise, no? That is sing. Okay, sing. We want to put ING, isn't it? ING. What is the sound of ING? Ing. Singing. Singing. Okay. The birds are singing sweetly. Okay, the birds are swinging sweetly. They are singing very sweetly. Okay, let's see the next sentence. Okay, here the three-letter word was given. Let's see it. T-H-E what? T-H-E, the. Very good. The dog is, what the dog is doing? If the dog shouts, what will we say? Bark. Very good. B-A-R-K. Bark. Then we want to add a ing. I-N-G. Barking loudly. Loudly. Okay. So we didn't circle the ly word, isn't it? We just circle the ly word. Loudly. Loudly. Loudly means very noisy, isn't it? Loudly means very noisy. Okay, this is the three-letter word was given. What is the sound of the three-letter word? T-H-E, the. The dog is barking loudly. Okay, the dog is barking loudly. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next sentence. Here also the first three-letter word. What is this? T-H-E. Yes, T-H-E sounds like the. The boy is, what's he doing? Yes, study, isn't it? I'm going to write the spelling for study. Yes, T-U-D-Y, steady. I'm going to add I-N-G. I-N-G. Studying quietly. Quietly means what you're doing. He is studying without disturbing others. Okay, he just studying very quietly. Okay, what is the three-letter word? T-H-E sounds like? T-H-E sounds like the. The boy is studying. Studying. Studying means he is reading the books. Okay, studying quietly. Okay, in this exercise we have been seeing the three word, isn't it? Three-letter word. T-H-E sounds like the, and if we add ing, then it will be end with ing. Okay, then we have seen the ly word also. If the word end with ly, then we want to pronounce it like lie. Boldly, quickly, neatly, slowly, swiftly, sweetly, loudly, quietly. Okay, if we add ing to the letter, dancing, cooking, painting, planting, washing, singing, barking, and studying. Okay, and the three-letter word T-H-E sounds like the. Okay, children, you understand? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.